Starting at number 5, we have the ThinkPad X1 Carbon from Lenovo. A favorable programming laptop, the latest Intel chip integration, and a handsome display. Under the hood, this laptop is powered by up to 11th Gen Intel i7 processor, 16 gigs of RAM, and 512GB of PCIe SSD storage to help you with debugging and have enough room for multitasking as well. The display of this laptop is simply stunning as it has been given a 14-inch FHD IPS screen with 400 nits of brightness for greater text visibility and more lines of codes. The backlit keyboard has 1.5mm key travel, which is decent enough for tapping in codes even in dark atmospheres. As programming is a collaborative effort, you might often need to participate in virtual meetings, and to help you with that, this laptop offers a 720p HD camera, which is just about right in terms of quality. And that leaves us with its 17 hours of battery life to keep you up and running on your programming tasks. Powerful, minimalist, and comfortable to type with, the ThinkPad X1 Carbon is an ideal programming laptop being worth your purchase. Next up at number 4, we have the Surface Laptop 4 from Microsoft. A perfect blend of style, performance, and speed to go along with your digital nomad lifestyle. The ultra-thin design of this laptop, combined with its invisible hinges, makes it look really sleek and effortless to open with just one finger. You can get it with either 11th Gen i7 processor or Ryzen 7 4980U mobile processor if you are into the AMD variant. With that being said, memory and storage availability stretches as far as 32GB and 1TB respectively, which gives you a handful of options to choose from. Now onto its 15-inch Pixel Sense display that has a native resolution of 2496 by 1664p and most importantly, a 3:2 aspect ratio, which is perfect screen space in a laptop for tapping in codes. Battery life is also top of the line, where Microsoft claims it to have up to 17.5 hours of backup for typical programming tasks. Overall, the Surface Laptop 4 is indeed an amazing portable workstation for freelance programmers who are always on the move. We have the LG Gram 17 that offers a gorgeous screen and brilliant lightweight design to enhance your workflow effectively. Powered by Intel's 10th Gen i7 processor, 16GB of DDR4 RAM, along with Iris Plus graphics, this portable laptop is powerful enough for compiling codes at a remarkable speed. Equipped with 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD, it offers faster app loading and generous storage for all your applications and project files. The laptop features a 17-inch IPS display that delivers 2560 by 1600 resolution and comes with an 80 watt-hour battery that will give you up to 17 hours of battery life so that you can spend more time on getting your programming task done. For faster file transfer, it features Thunderbolt 3 along with 3 USB ports and comes with a full-size backlit keyboard. Weighing less than 3 pounds, this compact and lightweight laptop is easy to carry and allows you to code remotely. LG Gram 17 laptop is loved for its gorgeous display and lightweight design, which makes it the ideal on-the-go programming workstation. Coming up at number 2, we have the MacBook Air, a premium laptop from Apple's end with their most powerful M1 chip and lots of possibilities for programming. It goes without saying that Apple delivers the most optimized user experience, and now with their latest M1 chip, the possibilities are just endless. The processor is several times powerful compared to the previous generation, which makes it a solid machine for programming. The 13.3-inch Retina display has a native resolution of 2560 by 1600p and is capable of showing on-screen content with greater color vibrancy and rich details. For port, you get two Thunderbolt 3 that does pretty good for fast power delivery and data transfer. The design language, as always, holds that premium wow factor of silvery finishing that most enthusiasts will admire. Apple's outstanding optimization enables this laptop to have an astounding battery backup of up to 15 hours that you can rely on for basically any type of task. If you are prioritizing performance and quality over everything else, then you should go for the MacBook Air without giving it a second thought. Finally, at number 1, we have the XPS 13 from Dell, a compact and performance-intensive laptop with a super impressive display and lots of ports. This laptop integrates 9th Gen i7 Intel processor along with 16GB of RAM and 512GB of M.2 SSD that you can expand further anytime you want to. On top of that, this 15.6-inch laptop boasts a UHD OLED screen that showcases on-screen content with precise detail, while the 16:10 aspect ratio ensures greater screen real estate to work on programs. Both I/O ends hold a total of one Thunderbolt 3 and two USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports, along with an HDMI 2.0 port to connect it to your secondary display. And that leaves us with its 97 watt-hour battery with a backup of up to 12 hours, which in our opinion is quite impressive. To sum things up, the Dell XPS 15 is an outstanding laptop that combines performance and reliability brilliantly, making it overall the best option that you can get your hands on. So that was all about the top 5 best laptop for programming.
Last, we'll be looking at the Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch, our choice for best programming laptop for Mac users. If you want one of the most powerful laptops for programming, the $2,200 Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch is well worth the investment. This new MacBook Pro is the most powerful Apple laptop yet, and whether you're a programmer, filmmaker, podcaster, graphic designer, or a writer, you'll see the improvements in your productivity because of its speed, memory, and capabilities. Its 16-inch Retina display with True Tone technology produces dazzling highlights, bright whites, and deep blacks with peak brightness of 500 nits at a resolution of 3072 by 1920, and the P3 wide color gamut provides good color accuracy and supports millions of colors. The Magic Keyboard has a soft feel that resists fatigue and uses a scissor mechanism with new keycap design that's more concave, and has a rubber dome underneath each key for better stability and comfort. For computing power, the MacBook Pro uses an Intel i7 processor running at 2.66 GHz with turbo boost up to 4.5 GHz and has a 12 MB cache. The GPU is made up of both an AMD Radeon Pro 5300M with 4GB of memory on board and integrated UHD Graphics 630 with automatic graphics switching. 16GB of RAM gives you plenty of memory to work with, and a 512GB SSD is installed for all your files. To connect your peripherals, the MacBook Pro gives you 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports and a USB 3.1 port. For wireless networking, there's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0. And the MacBook Pro has the highest capacity battery Apple has ever put into a laptop. The 100 watt-hour lithium polymer battery delivers up to 11 hours of sustained power, so you'll be able to get more work done between charges. If you're a programmer, especially if you're developing iOS or macOS apps, the Apple MacBook Pro is a no-brainer, and well worth the higher price tag. It has plenty of computing power, a comfortable keyboard, and enough battery power to get you through the day. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and comment below.